Marathon Server Slam is finally here, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and play it for free. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So I'm going to show you how to do it on PC, so I'm going to use Steam, but if you want to play it on PlayStation or Xbox, you will be using a different platform. So for PC users, just go to Steam, and right here we need to search for Marathon. Now click the first result and scroll down until you see the option to download Marathon Server Slam. You also got the option to pre-purchase the paid editions, or you can download Marathon Server Slam for free, so click on download, then select the drive where you want to install the game, so in my case it's this one, and click install. Then you need to accept this, and the download should begin automatically. So now you can click the progress bar at the bottom, and you will find how the download is going, an estimated time remaining, and after some minutes you can begin playing the game. If you can't find it, you can also go to library and then collections, and right here you should find Marathon, and after some minutes you will see the play button right here. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.